Well, it was another fun night of rain. So I started the night sleeping up here. And then I saw the rain was coming. And I waited a little bit. I was like, nah, I better just fucking do it. So I came over to this tree, leaned the bike up against it. It was really fucking windy. So I strapped the mat on, put the pizza box down that I had left over, with the backpack under there to keep it dry, laid the sleeping bag out, got under there, covered myself up with the sleeping bag. My legs had the legs hanging out. I was underneath, leaning up on the backpack as a pillow. And it was actually, I got into a pretty comfortable position under here. And it worked out until I woke up. The rain had stopped, the sky cleared up.